first chord played in the right hand is an F major 7th. That's F, A, C, E. Second chord, G sharp, B, D, and F. Finally, we're gonna end on this chord here. That's G, B, C, E. Play it once, then second time, move your pointer finger down the whole step. So now you're playing G, A, C, E. So it's, then play a G major twice. And that's just G, B, and D. Repeat. Third time around, you're gonna play this chord here. This is a F, A, B, D. Back to this here, this diminished chord here. Back to this, G major twice. Do that same chord again, F, A, B, D. Jump to that diminished chord. Then after that, what you're gonna do, you're gonna jump up a couple notes after that and do this. So I'm playing octave Bs. I'm doing this B, A, B, C, D, but then I'm playing it as octave, so it's, and then repeat. Your left hand's gonna start off on F. You'll play it twice, then play a D, then an E, A twice. Actually, you play A once, A flat, G, C, back to the F. Do it again. This time, play a B twice, D, then an E, A flat, G, C, back to the B. After that, that's B, A, B, C, D, and then repeat.